Dalawa ha? Ulit man.
What's up? Aso ka na! Miyak habong tarat-tarat! Imong nawumparat! My name is Kennedy, 27 years old, proud to representing Iligan City. And Inay, Agay, thank you.
Nakasabihan?
Naniniwala po sa kasabihan. If you're happy and you know you're clap your hand. If you're happy and you know you're clap your hand. Thank you.
Hello, Kimberly. Ano pong trabaho niyo ba? Ano pong ginawa?
Service crew po.
Saan po kayo sa service crew?
Pankyu Seaport.
Ayan.
Pankyu Seaport.
Okay, so parang food park siya gano'n.
Yes po, indeed.
Ano mga siniserve niyo doon?
Mga chicken inasal po.
Chicken inasal?
Yes.
Anti rice?
Yes po, kumain po tayo doon.
Libre mo?
Yes po, libre. Basta ipasok niyo ako.
O, galingan mo sa sagot. Okay, galingan mo sa pagsagot. Okay, ito yung tanong ko sa iyo. Kung mayroong fire exit, bakit walang fire entrance? Kung mayroong fire exit, bakit walang fire entrance?
Naniniwala po ako sa isang kasabihan. Kung wala pong fire exit, kung mayroon pong fire exit, bakit po walang fire entrance? Kasi po hindi pa inibento ng kung ano ba yan?
Relax lang, kaya mo yun, madam.
Pinirapisa niya?
Pwede.
Tagalog.
Okay.
Hindi po na-invento yung fire entrance kasi po alam po natin na kasabihan lamang po yan. Dahil naniniwala po ako na alam mo po,
Okay, sige. Ito naman yung ano mo, serious question.
Subukin kayo karoon po.
Wait lang ha.
Smile.
Diba? Let's smile niya. Okay, sige, ito yung question ko. Sa iyong palagay, ano ang mas mahalaga? Kapangyarihan o kasikatan? Sa iyong palagay, ano ang mas mahalaga? Kapangyarihan o kasikatan?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, ang pipiliin ko po ay kasikatan. Because dito po ako namulat, dito po ako nabubuhay sa kasikatan ko po ngayon. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, in my 27 years existence in this world, kahit anong pangungutya, panlalait, pambubuli ng mga tao sa akin, kahit ano pa yan, basta dito ako, kasikatan po ang nagbibigay sa akin ng pera. Kahit anong pangungutya, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing here in front of you, not just a bio, a purpose in life. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kimberly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, or what we always say, magandang hapon, madlang people. My name is Ellie Canillo. I am 29 years old. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Arts, major in English, in Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology. And I may also humbly add to my credentials, I also train those young aspirants who want to venture the avenue of pageantry by becoming their Q&A coach. And also, I was a former tourism staff of my humble, beloved Iligan City. And I just wish, sir and ma'am, you just have more time to explore Iligan City from the breathtaking scenery of Mount Agad-Agad and exploring the beauty of Iligan City by riding a Kalesa ride and also by mingling how hospitable truly Iliganon is. And that is something that I am surely be proud of upon engaging in the stage of Miss Q&A in Luzon, Manila.
So, former tourism staff, hindi na ngayon.
Yes po, I was employed, I think, last 2022 because of the change of the administration. But right now, I am doing assistance in virtual and digital world by being a virtual assistant, by freelance as well.
Okay, virtual assistant. Sige. Kung ikukumpara mo yung self mo sa isang magandang scenery dito sa Iligan City or sa Lano del Norte, aside from yung Mount Agat-Agat na sinasabi mo, saan mo ba ikukumpara yung sarili mo or yung ganda mo?
Wow, thank you very much, sir, for that very interesting question because it somehow mirrors and reflects the wonders of beauty of what truly Iligan City has. Ang katanungan po na ibinato sa akin ay kung ihahantulad ko lang po yung sarili ko sa isang beautiful scenery sa Iligan, I will have to choose a thing or a major tourist spot in which Iligan City is proudly known of. I will not gonna have many answer with this because Iligan City is indeed the city of majestic waterfalls. And through Maria Cristina Falls, Iligan City has been widely known to be a city within a city that supplies many water resources among the neighboring cities of Iligan City. And I believe as well that by describing myself or illustrating myself to be just the Maria Cristina itself, I am just representing perfectly what Iligan City surely has to offer.
Okay, ready ka na sa playtime question mo?
I should always be.
Okay. Kung iisa lang ang utak mo, bakit ka nagdadalawang isip? Kung iisa lang ang utak mo, bakit ka nagdadalawang isip?
Ladies and gentlemen, kung isa lang ang utak ko, bakit ako nagdadalawang isip? Let us always remember that in this world, it is always right to pause and think. We should compose ourselves. Our brain is only single, and there is no other brain that would surpass the beauty of our mind. And with that being said, I must truly say, sir, that my mind is just a single entity. But why do I keep on thinking more than the way it should be? Because I have to think clearly so that everything that might come out in my mouth is something that people could get inspiration from. And I believe that whenever you think clearly, you can be able to speak clearly. And that's the reason bakit po ako nagdadalawang isip so that I can truly say and expound all the words properly that would come out in my mind as the result of the thinking of my single brain. Thank you.
Okay, ito naman serious question ha. Paano mo ilalarawan ang Pilipinas sa taong bulag mula pagkabata? Paano mo ilalarawan ang Pilipinas sa taong bulag mula pagkabata?
I believe that a child's mind is what we call tabula rasa. Most especially on that case of that particular child, that child never sees anything from his life. But if I am going to simply explain the beauty of our country to a blind child, I would just have this kind of thought and word to be an inspiration to him, that I will tell this child that the Philippines is Pili Pino. Pili means chosen. Pino means refined. Filipinos were chosen. We are refined by our catastrophes and other things that might come in our way, be it social issue or issues that are inevitable for us to encounter. And with that, I believe that the power of my words that comes from my mouth, because I can be able to convince also the child that it doesn't matter whether he doesn't see anything, but what matters the most is he should feel the essence of his spirit being a Filipino. And that concludes the words that I am going to explain to the child as why and how the Philippines has to be described. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Ellie.
I remember it was summertime fun in December. We were hot like a real red temper. Is DJ Gani the Barbie, an event host, event coordinator, and at the same time, a radio DJ of one of the most prestigious radio station in Iligan City. That's 96.7 Friends Radio FMR Iligan.
Hello, DJ Gani, the Barbie.
Hi sir, good
Sige,
afternoon.
paano yung spiel mo sa opening mo sa radio program mo? Sapon na. yung spiel mo, yung sinasabi mo sa, kung nag-open ka ng program mo sa...
Actually, I have 2 radio programs. I have 3 to 5 p.m. every Monday to Friday, and also 8 to 10 p.m. that's Saturday and Sunday.
Sige, sample ka nung spills mo.
Alright.
O yung opening, yun spills.
Very simple lang naman sa it's a talk show. Alright, hello Philippines and hello world. This is the one and only DJ Gani the Barbie of Late Night Chikahan with DJ Gani the Barbie. Once again, maayong gabi and let's enjoy the rest of this talk show.
Okay, ano yung mga pinifeature mo sa talk show mo?
Actually, mga local celebrities here in Iligan City, like officials, the LGUs, the LGUs, and the rest of those who have trending videos and everything.
Okay, ready ka na po?
Yes, I need to be ready.
Okay. Ito pa yung question mo. Sino ang mas mabait? Banal na aso o santong kabayo? Sino po ang mas mabait? Banal na aso o santong kabayo?
I firmly believe, ladies and gentlemen, if it's not the banal na aso or the santong kabayo, pwede silang dalawa ang maging mabait. Because I firmly believe that they are only using banal and santos to make them holy. But the thing is, they are an animal and they are ready and willing to be trained by a person like us. If we train and love them equally like the Lord loves us, then they could be a good fit for us. And I thank you.
Okay, ito po yung serious question mo. Para po sa iyo, ano ang pinakamasamang ugali ng tao? Para sa iyo, ano ang pinakamasamang ugali ng tao?
I firmly believe, ladies and gentlemen, it is innate for us as a human person that we are good. Because I believe that God who created us is good. And there is no bad in the world. But the thing is, ang pinakamasamang ugali ng isang tao ay ang pagiging kahiya-hiya o ang paggawa ng kanyang sarili na kahiya-hiya sa ibang tao. Because lahat tayo may kamay, may paa. We can do things, we can be great, but we choose, or an individual choose not to be great, not to be good in his own purpose. And I firmly believe yan ang pinakamasamang ugali ng isang tao. To steal someone to think, to be a thief, and that will be all. And I thank you.
Okay, thank you so much po. Thank you, DJ Gani the Barbie.
A pleasant good afternoon to each and everyone. I was baptized by the name of John Mark Vargas, but people know me as Yelcho Vargas ni Greg Lopez. So ako'y naniniwala sa kasabihan, aahin ko ang aking magandang katawan, kung wala kong kakilala dyan sa lamesa, backstage po ako ngayong hapon.
Okay, hello, Yasha.
Hello po.
Ano pong pinakakabalan mo sa life? Parang wala ka naka-ready to know work or...
Before I was working as a call center agent in Cebu, studying way back pandemic time. And also I am conducting a leadership program by our beloved city mayor Frederick Shaw, which is the youth leadership program. So we do basic leadership training for the youth.
Like, ano po mga trainings yung ginagawa?
Leadership training.
Leadership training. Paano ano yung specific na para ginagawa to train them? Ano po yung mga ginagawa niyo?
Simple lang po. We have
Symposium, mga gano'n.
meron din pong ganyan. We have different topics and also we have Amazing Race. Yung mga ganyan lang po, yung mga basic trainings na po yung ginagawa namin sa mga kabataan.
Amazing Race.
Yes po.
Okay, sige. Ready ka na, ma'am?
As always.
As always. Ito po yung tanong mo. Sino ang masalbahe? Walang puso o walang kaluluwa? Sino po yung masalbahe? Walang puso o walang kaluluwa?
Siguro mas salbahe yung walang puso. Because ladies and gentlemen, tayo po ay may puso upang maging mapag-awa sa ating kapwa. Kung wala kang kaluluwa, kung wala kang puso, mas salbahe ka sa yung walang kaluluwa. So bali dapat ngunit sa mulong ating ginagalawan. I know that we have a lot of struggles in life. But if we have we have mercy in life, matuto tayong mapagkumbaba, mapagtawad sa iba, and I think that is the best way to achieve a better life.
Okay, ito naman po yung serious question mo ha. Ano ang mas pipiliin mo? Corona o cash prize? Ano ang mas pipiliin mo? Corona o cash prize?
Well, of course, we'll change the crown. Why? Money can be paid in the long run. Siguro, gagastasin lang yan within 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. But if you have the crown, people know you, that you have that crown itself. Meaning to say, since I was crowned Summer Sorina 2024 in my beloved barangay. So for almost 6 attempts, I was crowned that time. And I think that is the perfect time for me to have that crown. Because I will influence people. If you have the crown, you have the power. You have the influence towards people. And I do believe that the most important thing is the legacy that you have. The crown itself is your legacy, your purpose, and advocacy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much po. Thank you, Yasha. Next po, Josh Jane Agbalog or si Miss Georgia.
Hi. Hindi po ako si Belle sa Beauty and the Beast. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Joshua James Ayagbalog, also known as Miss Georgia, the legendary house mother of the House of Mrs. in Iligan City. 29 years old, representing Tibangan, Iligan City. Na naniniwala sa isang kasabihan, if you have it, show it. Mamatay sila sa inggit. Thank you.
Ano yung sinabi mo? The daughter of you?
The mother, the legendary mother of the House of Mrs. Bosa Indians.
Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ikaw
Ako
yun?
ang queen mother, house mother ng drag house.
A house mother ng drag house?
Yes po.
Okay. Anong mga piniperform niya? Sino yung ikaw? Sino yung mga in-impersonate mo na drag?
I hindi ko nag-impersonate.
Ah, hindi.
I showcase the real and the pure talent of Miss Georgia.
Oo, pero naka-drag.
Yes, I drag.
Ah.
Actually, fun fact about this, I'm not really into pageants. It's probably the first time I've given a chance that I would be very happy to represent our town. Kasi yung dalawang friends ko yung nagbunod sa akin na sumali ka. Pero yeah, I know, I guess, if God will bless me and guide me na this journey will send me to the national stage and I would be very glad and happy.
Okay, ready ka na, Miss Georgia?
I guess so.
Okay, ito po yung tanong ko ha. Kapag nagbiro ang tadhana, matatawa ka ba? Kapag nagbiro ang tadhana, matatawa ka ba?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, our life continues and was molded based on our experience. So whatever happens in life, always smile. Actually, the answer to the question is to love. Whatever the negativity happen, whatever the obstacles you're facing, the stumbling blocks, na nandyan, face it, smile, and show people that there's a lot of beautiful things to prioritize, which is our life. Thank you.
Go, Miss Georgia!
Ito naman po yung ano mo, serious question.
Ayan na.
Naniniwala ka bang pera ang ugat ng kasalanan? Naniniwala ka bang pera ang ugat ng kasalanan?
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that ang pera ay hindi ang ugat ng kasalanan. It is purely our intention. It is purely choosing your life kung ano ka ngayon. Kahirapan, yan po ang ugat ng kakulangan sa pera. Pero kung pinili mo maging mahirap, then magiging mahirap ka. Pero pag pinili mo maging mayaman, which is wala namang problema sa mag-ambisyon na maging mayaman, then you'll find that I believe that there is a lot of opportunities outside rather than saying, baka ganito lang talaga ako. So it's a matter of striving hard and choosing what's the best for your life. And I think
Okay, sige. May isa pa akong tanong na playtime dito. Pwede mo sulitin lang. Go! Sa iyong palagay, nilalagnat din ba ang lamok na may dengue?
Ano?
Sa iyong palagay, nilalagnat din ba ang lamok na may dengue?
Thank you God kasi tao ako at hindi ako lamok. I believe, siguro po. Kasi once a bacteria, always a bacteria. So, pag na-dengue ang lamok, baka po lagnatin sila. Kasi ang dengue ay isang sakit na masyad na hindi po posible may lunas. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ayan na.
Wala na po ba? Wala na po yung kanina, yung si Amber ba yun? Rema Gomez, yung number 5. Wala.
Amir!
Oh,